Na I'm just thinking, diba, na ganun talaga.
Busy pa siya.
It's like that.
Nakakatawa. Gusto niyo makita yung actual scene yan? Ito yun, oh. Hello mga ka-Anli. Early morning angkas na naman tayo papunta sa ating bagong location. Finally, I'm here inside ABS-CBN. COVID check muna syempre. And after that, nandito na kami sa talent station ng seryeng nag-aapoy na damdamin. Nakita na natin si Atty. Lucas, Mr. Tony Labrusca. And this is my first sequence for the day. The elevator scene. Ayan na si Claire, Miss Jane Oineza with Atty. Lucas while waiting for their scene. Ayan, daan-daan lang muna. Second sequence ko sa loob ng ospital. Right after that, balik kami sa talent station. Kasi I think dito magla-lunch na kami. Gutom. And finally, the investors night scene. Dito, media guy tayo. Kasama natin si Aris. Yun. Hello. Makakasama natin dito si Miss Aya Fernandez as Sabrina.
Aking isip na I'm just thinking, diba, na ganun talaga.
Busy pa siya.
It's like that.
Andito na si Doc Philip, tsaka si Doc Joaquin. Nakakakaba mag-interview ng one line lang.
Sir, kung masasabi ninyo? Yeah. Ma'am, ano po masasabi natin, ma'am?
Nakakatawa. Gusto niyo makita yung actual scene yan? Ito yun, oh. Si Miss Jane kasi, nginitian ako. Napangiti tuloy ako all throughout. But it was really a nice experience having scenes with these actors. Sobrang gagaling. Ayan, kunyari, emote-emote muna. Nakikinig sa program. And this was the scene nung pinakilala na ni Doc si Claire. And that's it. It's a wrap. Thank you guys. Bye-bye. Oh, ito yung mga exposure natin, ha. Baka lang di ma-acknowledge ulit.